This is just a quick video to show you how to change the cabin pollen filter on a Audi. So we are in the glove box area, passenger glove box, and if we go right under the glove box there are 3 screws. They're plastic screws. There's 1, there's 2, and then there's a 3rd one here. And what do? Let's just get to that one there. You just literally undo them. But they are a plastic screw, and that's all they are. I'll go ahead and undo the other 2. So once you've undone the screws, you can literally get your finger under this sort of polystyrene type material and pull it out. A little tricky doing it with one hand, but you get the idea. There we go. And then you can see this white bar here. This is the area where the pollen filter is. Where you've got a protruding area, you can push it to the left. It does take a bit of pulling, and then you can see the pollen filter underneath, and it literally just pulls out. You notice there's an indent there, and fitting a new one is just the reverse. So I'll get a new one and pop that in. So this is the new filter. I've actually upgraded the type of filter. Popped it in the slot in the same orientation and just popping it all the way up. And I will need 2 hands to pop this along. Just have it slightly to the left and you'll see the slots when you push it to the right hand side. So I'm just going to have to do that with 2 hands now. Okay, so I've popped the retaining plate back in. I did have it quite wide to the left, and I could feel it engage into the slots, but then it stops slightly short, and you do have to use quite a lot of effort to push it, probably about 1/4 of an inch, so about 1 centimetre, until it fully engages with a little click. And now that the end of that is flush, and I know it's all okay. So now I'm going to put the protective foam trim back and then put the screws back in, and that's the simple way of doing a pollen filter change.